Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Stellar is a distributed open source and community-owned blockchain network. Stellar was founded by lawyer Joyce Kim and Jed McCaleb in 2014. It is used to facilitate transfers between assets. Stellar is committed to facilitating these transfers for a fraction of a penny, while striving to be an open financial system and provide people of all income levels with access to affordable financial services. Stellar's own digital currency is called Lumens XLM. To protect against spam, there is a requirement that each Stellar wallet contains at least a small amount of lumens. With lumens, users can send each other any currency, automatically converting it to any other. Stellar also supports smart contracts. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. These factors could propel a change in Stellar's long-term trend. Since May of last year, Stellar XLM observed a steady downtrend, while it marked lower peaks, while maintaining the 13-month-long support at the $0.195 mark. Considering the bullish comeback over the last month, and the rejection of lower prices, a likely close above the $0.2217 mark would propel a test at the upper trend line of the down channel, that coincided with the 50 EMA sign. At press time, XLM traded at $0.2195. Ever since XLM struck its 3-year high on 16 May 2021, it steeply turned downward, and traded between the 19 cents 39 cents range for over 8 months now. The recent bearish phase marked a down channel, wide, on its daily chart as the alt lost nearly 62% from 10 November, and hit its 1-year low on 22 January. During this phase, the 50 EMA stood as a sturdy resistance, and confirmed the long-term downtrend. The fall halted at its 13-month, 19 cents support, where the buyers stepped in to initiate a 29% recovery, and test the upper trend line of the down channel on 8 February. Interestingly, a trend reversal occurred when the bears approached the 19-cent support in July 2021. Now, it seemed likely for the history to repeat, while XLM saw a morning star candlestick pattern, and the technical indicators confirmed the increasing buying strength. Moreover, the recent bullish comeback formed a strong demand zone, rectangle, near the $0.2 level. Any close above the $0.221 mark would likely lead to a test of around the 23-cent mark before pulling back. Should the bulls fail to close above $0.221, a direct retest of the demand zone should not surprise the investors' traders. The RSI was in an uptrend over the last month, but still needed to close above the half line to confirm the change in momentum. It needs to bounce back from its trendline support to brighten the chances of snapping off the $0.221 mark. The CMF rapidly upturned and swayed above the half line, hinting at a change in the trend. Furthermore, the supertrend revealed a buy signal and reaffirmed the increasing buying pressure. Conclusion is XLM reversed from the crucial $0.195 support. The chances of a trend reversal are bright, whilst its technical indicators confirm the increasing buying influence. One can expect a clash between the buyers and sellers between the 23 cents and the demand zone in the days to come before a trend-committing move. Besides, the broader market sentiment and the on-chain developments need to be factored in to make a profitable move. Next news, EU commits to cutting Russian banks off from SWIFT over Ukraine invasion. The European Union has resolved to isolate Russia from the international financial system, including by blocking some banks from the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, SWIFT, the messaging network underpinning global financial transactions. In blocking Russia from SWIFT, the European Union would block Russian institutes overbought level. Nevertheless, the ADX stood quite weak and depicted a rather fragile directional trend for near. Filecoin, Phil bears initiated a steep downturn after breaking down from the up channel, yellow. With this fall, the alt matched its January lows, and ensured the oscillation range of $16.25 since the past month. Over the last few days, Phil saw an up-channel recovery that bagged in 28.08% ROI in the last 5 days. Meanwhile, the supertrend continued to flash a buy signal. The immediate testing support now stood at the lower trend line of the up channel. At press time, Phil traded at $21.38. After dropping from the overbought region, the RSI headed to test its trendline support. Any close below 58 level support would be detrimental for the bulls. Also, the squeeze momentum indicator continually flashed gray dots, thus, still entailing a high volatility phase. The second news, one Theta trader lost $11 million to liquidations as prices jumped 18%. A trader of futures tracking the Theta network token took one of the largest losses in crypto as the market recovered. The lone trader lost more than $11 million on a single futures trade involving Theta network's Theta tokens as the price jumped 18% in 24 hours. The trade, among the largest for mid-cap cryptos in recent months, occurred on crypto exchange Binance, and formed the largest part of the $11.67 million in liquidations on Theta futures. Usually, the largest liquidations occur on futures tracking Bitcoin or Ether, the two most traded cryptocurrencies. Liquidations occur when a trader has insufficient funds to fill a margin call, a demand for extra collateral by the exchange, to keep the trading position funded. They're especially common in high-risk trading due to the volatility of assets. Of the $11.67 million in liquidation losses to Theta futures traders, one person was short $11.08 million of Theta, meaning they were betting the token's price would drop, data from analytics service CoinGlitz show. The position was liquidated as prices jumped 18% from Monday's lows of $2.73. Binance, the largest crypto exchange, alone saw $11.54 million worth of shorts placed on Theta futures. Rival exchange OKX had $53,000 worth. Theta hit resistance near the crypto space will soon become mainstream. Each project offers unique plans for survival and dominance in the market. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Stellar XLM a good investment? How much will Stellar cost in 2025? But in reality, guessing price fluctuations and forecasting future prices is a hell of a task. But let's not waste time and proceed to the forecast, and we will start from the current year 2022, but perhaps I will clarify that at the moment the price of Stellar fluctuates around 18 cents United States dollars. XLM rate prediction 2022. For a long-term forecast of the Stellar price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of XLM will rise to around 26 cents by 2022, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 29 cents with a minimum price 26 cents level. XLM rate prediction 2023, XLM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Stellar price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Stellar rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 45 cents. Stellar average price prediction for the end of 2023 could be around 39 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Stellar price prediction 2024, volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Stellar could cross 65 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 56 cents. Stellar price prediction 2025, XLM has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Stellar, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of 94 cents. XLM is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 81 cents, a minimum price of 79 cents, and a maximum price of 94 cents.